lecture 9 for final term examination. Okay. For the final term for the first chapter we will cover, that is the developing strategic analysis in supply chain management. Strategic analysis. What do you understand by the strategic analysis? Strategic analysts are those who have the make an analysis with you to make your journey move smoothful throughout your supply chain process. Firstly, what does strategic analysis mean? Strategic analysis is defined two or more independent entities. Two or more independent entities, and they are synchronized and coordinate but not limited to ownership. They are synchronized and coordinate but not limited to, but ownership are different. They are strategic partner each other, but they have their separate identities, separate everything, but for the one purpose or for the one time period of time, they are work together. More independent entities that are synchronized and coordinate but not limited to ownership, control and equity investment, but with some common strategic goal. We can say that it is basically an arrangement between two or more companies to undertake a specific mutually benefit project by combining resources. How will strategic alliance benefit an organization or company? Strategic alliances allow companies to enhance their efficiency and effectiveness by reducing, removing waste, duplication across the supply chain. First, if you go with the strategic alliances, your partner will help you to make you more effective and efficient. Effective and efficient means you can do the work more smoothly than before. By reducing key, removing waste and duplication, the একই কাজ দুইবার repeat হচ্ছে না. So if you can stop doing the same task again and again, it will save your time as well as save your money. Hence, to develop, implement and maintain supply chain analysis require great effort from companies. You can differentiate strategic analysis based on the nature of collaborating from vertical or horizontal analysis. You can go for the vertical analysis and horizontal. What is the vertical analysis? In the vertical analysis, you do analysis with your supplier or who provide you the raw materials, and the vertical analysis you can make merge with your competitor who are operating in the same level. Horizontal analysis and vertical analysis. The collaboration of two or more firms from the same industry, collaboration করা হচ্ছে whether from same industry they collaboration করতে পারে. The horizontal analysis is partnership between the business that operate as a competitor at the same area. Competitor team up, mutually improve their positioning in the market in the summer. This can be pursuing economic of scale, working together to sell product is more one than one market. Cooperating in research and development. What does it mean? When you go for the strategic analysis with your competitor, it give you the power to it will give you the power to achieve the economic of scale, where you and your partner buy together. For example, in case of BGMA, who are the member of the BGMA in Bangladesh, sometimes they make an association so that they can purchase their textile goods together so that they can achieve the economic of scale. They together import the raw material of their product from China and other places so that the container is fully booked, so they can achieve the economic of scale. And as they are buying more, they have the bargaining power with the supplier. That will give them an opportunity to achieve the economic of scale. What is the vertical analysis? Vertical analysis, cooperation between firm along with the vertical change. A vertical analysis is a partnership involved collaborating among companies in the supply chain. Collaboration among the partnership and the collaborating among companies, the same supply chain. Who are the supplier or who are the distributor of your product? You can make an strategic analysis with your supplier or your distribution channel. For example, a firm might team up with a supplier or distributor to reduce risks or get lower price. What is the risk you can get reduced? When you go for the strategic analysis with the distribution channels, they will make sure that the product will get by the customer the way you want to. they will keep your product safe and sound so that customer experience the best experience of your product. Also, they will inform you what are the differentiation upcoming in the market so that you can upgrade your product as per the market demand. So it will ensure that you cannot lose the competition in the market. In case of the supplier, if you can go for the strategic analysis with the supplier, what you will achieve? That if there is any shortage of any raw material, they will inform you before so that you can buy a bulk. In future, you cannot have this problem at all. Or they will give you the raw material as long as the product with them. They will not make the price high or like the other supplier, as they are also your strategic alliance and they are the partner of your business. So you can keep the price and you can make a profit better than others. So you can keep the price low when you have a strong strategic alliance with the supplier. You have a strategic alliance with your supplier. Clear? Particle analysis benefit the farmer partner by deepening the relationship, cementing. Not only deepening, the cementing means you can build, you can pile up the every what do you think? Cementing means it's the more strong. When you cement in our building, it is make the wall more strong. The relation more strong, relationship, long-term commitment, and enabling collaboration on design and distribution. They enable you to design and distribution. They will suggest you what the design, what the trend is going on. What are the in distribution part, you can know what else you need to add on your product, what you will need to drop on your product. That will don't make any customer satisfaction or customer requirement is not like the customer is other than what you are providing. Okay, they help you to understand the market requirement. They help you to understand what are the trend is going on the market. These are also known as channel partnership and supply chain partnerships. Strategic analysis. Now, strategic analysis can occur in any number of different markets with different combination of supplier, customer are significantly configured. We should be able to identify now that the analysis that involved in a single supplier or single customer is typically supplier-customer analysis. What does it mean? Now, strategic analysis can occur any number of different markets or the different combination of supplier customer are significantly configured.